We now reach the ending of this chapter, and in this lecture, I want to talk about graphic tablets. Here, I have a graphic tablet by Wacom, and it comes with a pen like this. Using the tablet and the pen, I'm gonna try to draw something in Illustrator. So I'm gonna choose the paint brush tool. I'm gonna go to brushes window, open libraries, and I'm gonna choose this library, artistic calligraphic. I'm gonna choose this brush. I'm gonna close this window and I'm gonna start drawing like this. And as you notice, the tablet is allowing me to draw in Illustrator the same way I draw with a real pen and paper. And just like any other shape, just like any other line, I can go to selection tool. I can select this part, for example, and I can change its shape just like that. And now I'm gonna do some coloring. I'm gonna color this flower. So I'm gonna use the blob brush tool. Double click. I'm gonna set the size to 50 points. Gonna change the color to yellow, and I'm gonna click here, draw behind. Now I can color the flower just like this. Gonna change the color to pink. Gonna color these parts. Gonna change the color to green. Gonna color this part. Gonna choose brown, and I'm gonna color this part now. Now I'm done with the coloring. Gonna go back to paint brush tool. I'm gonna change the brush to this brush. I'm gonna choose the color pink, and this time I'm gonna try to write something. Gonna change the color to green, and I'm gonna write flower. Just like this. So as you saw, I just did this drawing in a few minutes, but it would have been impossible for me to make this drawing using the mouse. I'm gonna select everything, I'm gonna delete everything, and now I'm gonna show you another thing that we can do with the graphic tablet. I open the brushes window, I'm gonna click here, new brush, calligraphic brush. Okay, I'm gonna create a new brush now. I'm not gonna change the angle, I'm not gonna change the roundness, I'm just gonna change the size to, let's say, 30 points, and I'm gonna change this from fixed to pressure, and the variation I'm gonna set it to 30 points like this, and click OK. Now we have a new brush called calligraphic brush 1. I'm gonna use the mouse, and I'm gonna draw a line like this. I'm gonna change the color to black, and I'm gonna draw a line like this using the mouse. I'm gonna draw another line like this using the mouse, and as you see, they are almost identical. Now I'm gonna use the pen, and I'm gonna draw softly on the tablet. And as you notice, the line is much thinner. I'm gonna try to draw another line on the tablet, but this time I'm gonna apply pressure and press hard. As you see, now we get a thick line. So this is what the graphic tablet allows us to do. It allows us to draw softly like this, and then apply pressure and make the line thicker, and then we can go back to drawing softly just like this, and then go back to a thick line just by applying pressure. So this is a big advantage that the tablet has. I'm gonna select everything, I'm gonna delete. The tablet I have right here, this tablet is like the cheapest tablet you can get, but there are many other options on the market. These are some examples of artworks made using a tablet, and if you are really serious about becoming a professional illustrator, I recommend you invest in a tablet. But in this course, we are not going to use a tablet, and you will only need a mouse to do the rest of the exercises.